landing. Takeoff is optional. Landing, mandatory. Make sense? These, you guys gonna hear in your life if you guys are pilot forever. Tapping. Precision approach path indicator. It is those 4 lights here. When you have 2 and 2, it means you're landing on the right spot. If you have all the lights in white, it means you're gonna overshoot. So what you do, you compensate. Now if you see all red, you are dead because you're gonna land before the runway. So this is just like a guy beside the runway telling you, you're too high, you're too low, you're perfect, keep coming. And you calibrate as you see, you make the adjustments. And we're gonna be showing you guys as you guys are doing it. Easier said than done. So that's why the 3 hours you guys are here, lots of time to do it again and again and again. Okay? So 777 and the 737, you also see these, and they're gonna be pointed out to you. Look your back. So we're only doing here today visual approach. We're not gonna do any instruments, just visual. And we're gonna do it over and over again. All right? Thank you, Viviana.